In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Steam support ticket. Start by opening the Steam client on your computer. At the top of the window, look for the Help menu. Click that and then choose Steam Support. This takes you to Steam's official help center inside the client, which is the recommended place to start because it connects your request to your account automatically and gives you relevant options. Next, pick the area that best matches what you need help with. You'll see categories like games, purchases, account, and community. If you are having trouble launching or updating a game, choose Games. If a charge looks off or you need receipt assistance, choose Purchases. For sign-in issues, security concerns, or profile problems, choose Account. Questions about friends, chat, or user-generated content fit under Community. Choosing the closest match helps Steam route your ticket to the right team, which can speed up the response. As you click through, Steam will offer common solutions or related topics. If none of those solve your problem, keep selecting the most relevant options until you reach a page with a Contact Steam Support button at the bottom. Sometimes you'll need to click through a couple of subpages. That's normal. The key is to continue narrowing down the issue until the contact option appears. When you reach the contact form, take a moment to describe your issue clearly. Start with a short summary, then add important details like what you were doing when the problem occurred, any error messages you saw, and what you've already tried. Dates, approximate times, and order numbers can be very helpful for purchase-related issues. Avoid including any sensitive information such as passwords or full payment details. If screenshots or files can help, like an error window, a proof of purchase, or a billing receipt, attach them. Make sure your images are clear and your files are relevant. This can reduce back and forth and lead to a quicker resolution. Before you click Submit, review everything to make sure it's accurate and complete. A concise, well-documented ticket is easier for support to handle. After submitting, you'll see confirmation that your request was received. Keep an eye on your Steam notifications or the email linked to your account for replies. You can also return to Steam support to check the status of your ticket. That's it. Thanks for watching.